Why are Toyotas so good? Automobile manufacturers are always in the quest to improve their car models every year. The company, Toyota, is one that is very careful and slow when attempting to add new features. The business is careful to only release them after extensive testing and development have ensured utmost safety. The last thing anyone would want is for customers to discover a flaw or feel unsafe. The company pays extra attention to detail throughout production to guarantee that none of its SUVs, trucks, or cars are rushed. If the corporation is uncertain about the effectiveness of a new feature, it will conduct additional testing before introducing the feature in a new car. The Toyota Corporation serves as a prime example of the Japanese conservative attitude to innovation and business. When it comes to precise engineering, Toyota is notoriously slow to release technologies that would compete with rival automakers or get the attention of industry publications. The dependability of Toyota vehicles is well known all throughout the world. For this reason, Toyotas continue to dominate the global auto market. Toyotas aren't just trustworthy, but they're also simple to repair, which makes them that much more useful. Here are 5 reasons why Toyotas are so good. Number 5. Industrial experience. Toyota has been around for decades, giving them plenty of practice satisfying a diverse clientele. They've had problems and unsuccessful goods before, but they've always recovered and come through with something better. All this experience has also enabled them to give great after-sales service. Number 4. Superior material quality. Toyota's products are renowned for their superior craftsmanship and high-quality materials. Materials might range from leather and plastic to metal and sheeting. There is uniformity across the board in terms of quality. The quality of materials is not determined by a car's price or market category. They just choose to uphold a certain standard for themselves. Number 3. Toyota emphasizes the fundamentals. Connected vehicle technology, voice commands, and other similar capabilities are gaining attention from many manufacturers today. Nonetheless, the Japanese automaker continues to place emphasis on the 4 cornerstones: build quality, engine, driving dynamics, and reliability, that together produce a great vehicle. This does make their vehicles less desirable from a feature standpoint, but buyers concerned about longevity will still choose them without hesitation. What do you think are the most essential elements to make a great car? Number 2. Excellent research and testing. Toyota takes its sweet time introducing new features since the company invests heavily in research and development. Customers believe that a sunroof is a minimum requirement for a luxury vehicle like the Fortuner and Innova. On the other hand, Toyota spends a great deal of effort guaranteeing that each and every component of the vehicle functions properly and will continue to do so for all of time. Because of this, many features in other brands' vehicles appear in Toyota models a bit later. Number 1. Toyotas have a reputation for durability. You can pick up any old Toyota and find that it runs like a top. You won't see much of a difference in the performance of the engine or the electronics until the car has clocked in at least a few million miles. There are no rattles, cracks, or other sounds of mechanical distress coming from these automobiles. Because of this, Toyota is known for its dependability. Reliability is probably one of the best qualities a car can have. This applies for people too, especially in the world of ghosting. We know Toyota cars will be a loyal companion, just like your favorite dog. If you were looking for some other cars that are reliable but also the finest, check out our video to see the cars that are in Qatar. They have some of the best ones in the world right now. We hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.